Yeah, I mastered the grade crossing sound, so here it is. That's 2 long blasts of the horn, 1 short, and another long, so 3 longs and a short. Here it comes. Speed up a little bit. There we go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 engines. This might take a while because I've seen trains approaching grade crossings before, and they're like normal speed. Mostly on this train, you got boxcar. Sorry guys, it's just the season allergies, man. Alright, I'll just go about. Mostly on this train, you got boxcars, and I love the sound effects that the boxcars give off. There's more cars coming. So yeah, Skills and Boxcar for the win. Here's the end of the train. I'll zoom ahead to this crossing right here. I put this crossing on the layout. I downloaded it from the download station. In case I'm wondering. Yeah, this one has like this pole on to hold the lights on. I don't know, just to. So here's the speed right now. It's going. So I guess I'll just increase the throttle a little bit. And I'll probably about that much throttle, that much. Alright, it's going about 36 miles an hour, 37, 30. Yeah, it's going at 37 miles an hour. I'm following the speed limit here. So it's going at 38. And there's 2 crossings that. It's going through the station. But I'll zoom ahead. Sorry guys, it's just sorry. Keep doing this. Now here it comes. It's on the grade crossing signal now. I live near the tracks. Well, there's this Civil War museum. It's right on the Western Atlantic subdivision. Takes it from Truckee Hill to Kennesaw. So here it comes. Yeah, mostly I see CSX engines, but I've seen a few foreign engines. Like one time, I've seen this Canadian National Diesel. This this is this was during the beginning of my YouTube channel. You know, my YouTube channel. Yeah. I'll show you at the end of the train. Alright. 2000. I checked the stats. This train, a 2,000 ton train. Mostly boxcars. Yeah, when I was little, me and my dad used to watch trains in Marietta, also my hometown Kennesaw. Him and I used to count freight cars, count how many cars, and mostly of them were on freight trains. I'm gonna turn the ditch lights on. Check this out. This one's got ditch lights, which I like. Now, hold on. I'll show you guys the video. Well, I'm recording my own up the video within the video. Also, I gotta get some more iCloud storage. Give me a minute here. Give me a minute. Also, it's in this, give me a second. It's got to be here somewhere. Yeah. Yeah, that was back during the summer of 2015. The all train headed by a Canadian National U36B diesel. I leased. Well, I guessed on that part. Sorry for the poor quality. I used my grandma's iPhone before she had an iPhone 6. Like I said, this was during the beginning of my YouTube channel, you know? And Jeff Martin added it, so there you go. So thank y'all for watching. Subscribe for more vlogs. Like and comment. Turn on notifications bell. Keep being awesome. Give me a follow on Twitter at AEVlogs&Gaming. Give me a follow on Google Plus as well too. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Peace out, my dudes.